Right, in this video we're going to look at exam questions based on ratio. So, first one, Alex and Ben are given a total of £240. So I'll circle that, I'm going to use that later on. They share the money in the ratio 5:7. Now right now I've got enough information here to start to work out the problem in some way. First of all, it's Alex and Ben, and the order is important with ratio. So it's Alex and Ben, and they share the ratio 5:7. Again, the order is important. Alex gets 5 shares, Ben gets 7. Use the box method to show what we're doing here. So we've got, there's Alex's 5 shares, and here's Ben's 7 shares. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. They shared £240 between them. So they've divided up into 5 shares and 7 shares is 12 shares. So the calculation I'll do here is 240 divided by 12, which is 20. So each share, or each one of these boxes, is worth £20. Just to check it, 5 20s is 100, 7 20s is 140, added together you've still got the total of 240. So that's them divided up. We're asked, work out how much money Ben received. Well, Ben had the 7 shares of 20, 7 lots of 20 is £140, as we mentioned before. And that's the question answered. So one of the key things to remember from this is that the order is important. It was Alex and Ben, so it's Alex, Ben. It was 5:7, so 5 comes first. Work out your total shares, which is 12, divided into what the total amount was. Moving along, this next one. So this time we've got an extra person. Amy, Beth and Colin share 36 sweets in the ratio 2:3:4. So here's my 36 sweets, and we're dividing it between Amy, Beth and Colin. And as always in maths, make sure you're working down the page. It's a lot easier to follow your workings that way. And the ratios are 2, 3 and 4. Just so I can visualize it, here's my 2 shares, 3 shares and 4 shares. So in total it's been divided into 9 shares altogether. 2 plus 3 plus 4. So it's 36 divided by 9, which is 4, or 4 sweets. So each box is worth 4. And the question asked me, work out the number of sweets that each of them receives. Well, Amy's got 2 lots of 4, which is 8. Beth has 3 lots of 4, which is 12. And we've got 4 lots of 4, 16. Just double check that we're right on this. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 36, 20 plus 16 does give us the 36 sweets in total. So we are correct with that. Amy 8, Beth 12, and Colin gets 16. And that's it answered. On this one, pause the video if you wish and have a go at it. I would advise laying it out exactly as I did previously. Use your boxes and see if you can find out how much more money did Pat get. Right, hopefully you've been successful in trying that. So, Pat and Julie share some money in the ratio 2:5. So it's told me some money, so we don't know what the total is, but we do know it's going to be Pat and Julie. We know it's going to be 2:5. So there's my 2 boxes and 5 boxes. Julie gets £45 more than Pat. How much did Pat get? So Julie gets £45 more than Pat. We also know that Julie gets 3 shares more than Pat. Pat's got 2 boxes, Julie's got 2 plus an additional 3. So that tells me that those 3 boxes add up to 45. That's our extra. So 45 divided by 3 is 15. That's what one share is. Here's your 45, 15, 15, and 15. That's the extra 45 that Julie's getting. So these other boxes, these other shares, it's got to be the same thing. So it's 15, 15, and 15 and 15. The question asks us, how much money did Pat get? Well, Pat got 2 lots of 15, which is £30. And there's your answer. If I needed to, I could follow this through all the way and find out what the original amount was. Julie got 5 lots of 15, which is 75. Pat, we said, got 30. So altogether there's 30 plus 75, which is £105. But the key thing there was doing your boxes. We knew with 45 extra, how many shares did Julie get more than Pat? And that's that one done.